Hi guys, thanks for tuning back into the channel. So in this video we're going to show you a demonstration of the iCarsoft Volvo version 2.0 tool. We're in a little Volvo C30 here, and you can see on the dashboard that we've got quite a few dashboard warning lights and a few messages on the message center at the top there. So we're going to work our way through those with this tool, and hopefully we can get to the bottom of some of them. Alright, I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones on the market. They can damage your vehicle, unfortunately. So it's not worth going down that route, but using the links below will take you to the genuine and official product, okay? So we're going to start by selecting the vehicle type first of all. So we're going to select Volvo, we're going to select our vehicle, which is a little Volvo C30 from 2008. And we're going to manually select the system in which we wish to diagnose. So we've got the engine system fault on the top there, so we're going to select the engine system first of all, and then we go to read fault code. We've got 0113 mass airflow MAF sensor, signal too high. We've got 3 faults like this relating to the mass airflow sensor. We haven't actually fixed the mass airflow sensor nor replaced it yet. Once we do that, it's just a case of resetting the fault codes, and then we can get rid of that warning message there. Okay, that's relating to the engine fault. Sometimes the car struggles to start, not very often, but once you try it for the second time it kind of starts straight away. But it is an issue which does need to be addressed, but we're just showing you how the fault code, I guess, would be displayed on this tool with a fault that hasn't actually been fixed. And if I go to clear fault memory, we'll probably get a fault when we try to do this, fail to complete, because we haven't fixed anything. Okay, so that's the engine fault. You'll notice though that we do have a lot of other faults, and luckily, well, not luckily, but thankfully for the purpose of this video, we have fixed those faults, so we should be able to get rid of all of the other warning lights. Okay, so if we scroll down to, let's say, the ABS brake system, we diagnosed a faulty front right ABS sensor with 0020 as the fault code, and we've put the new sensor in, but obviously we're still getting the warning lights, we're still getting the fault codes. So with that in mind, we just now should be able to clear fault memory. It's got erase operation done. The warning light is still flashing. What will probably happen on this vehicle is that will come on steady. There'll be another one which comes on steady there, then it'll go off just like that. So that is the ABS system, which is really easy to deal with in most cases, I would say. It might be a little bit daunting because you might get like a load of warning lights come up, but they are all connected and they will generally just be one problem or one fault. Okay, so that is the ABS system, as I say, and then we come back and we can go into the airbag system, which is SRS supplemental restraint system, and it's the same process again for this system really. So we'll go read fault code first of all. We got a fault code relating to the front right hand impact protection system resistance too high. We fixed this, the connection was loose underneath the driver's seat, so we've put that back together, and we believe that should fix the fault, but the only one way to find out is by clicking clear fault memory, clicking OK to that. Let's see what it says on screen. Erase operation done. And then the warning light, the airbag warning light, should turn off. Sometimes it can take 10, there we go, it's gone off there. I was going to say sometimes it can take like 10 to 15 seconds, or sometimes it happens instantly. It all really depends on the vehicle, to be honest with you. But it does, you know, this tool does a whole range of other systems, and it does a huge range of coverage years as well. So it all really depends on which vehicle you have, but it also does service functions as well. It doesn't do all of the service functions for all vehicles. That hasn't loaded up there. Where is that? Oh, we'll need to double check that. But it does a whole host of service functions like ABS resets. It does DPF regeneration, oil service resets, steering angle sensors, injector coding, things like that. It has thrown me a little bit why nothing's coming up on the screen. I don't know if it's just going to take a while to load. Normally they come up instantly, so maybe we need to do an update on this particular tool, but we can deal with that at our end. But that's the first time I've seen that, so I can assure you all other tools will be okay. Yeah. Okay, so What I'll do is I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. As I say, fixing clones, they do exist and they can damage your vehicle, so it's just not worth going down that route. But if you use the link below, that will take you to the genuine and official products. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helps.